Today we were blessed to have State Senator Steve Rhoads join us at the Mahdi Islamic Center in Hicksville, New York, as we prepared care packages for the homeless. We have been doing this initiative for over 5 years, and every year we gather in Ramadan, our month of fasting, to give back to those who are in need in Long Island and in New York City. Today, as you saw, we have many children from ages 5 and above working on many different stations. We made toiletry kits, we made protein packs, we made sandwiches, we made overnight oat kits, and we made lentil kits, hundreds and hundreds of them going to all the nearby shelters. Senator Steve Rhoads was fantastic in joining us in this effort and recognizing how important charity is as a mark of our faith. As we have inside each of our kits, the Prophet Muhammad has said that kindness is a mark of faith, and today Senator Steve Rhoads recognized that with us.
Thank all of the youth here for your amazing hard work and how nice it is to celebrate Ramadan and to celebrate your faith by giving back to others. Because if there's one thing we want everyone to learn, it's the fact that whether you call him God, you call him Allah, that we are all given gifts and talents. Right? And we're all given gifts that our responsibility is to give back to others. And that's exactly what you're doing today. Think of all the hundreds of people whom you've helped today, not just with the nourishment that's provided in these bags, but the nourishment of their soul, knowing that there's someone out here that they've never met that cares about them and thinks about them enough to prepare these gifts for them. And that's going to help them much more than the food will ever help them. So thank you for being a part of that, and thank you for giving back to our community. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Good job.
Welcome, Senator Rhoads, to Mahdi Islamic Center in Hicksville, New York. Senator, thank you so much for joining us for our annual Ramadan tradition of helping to make care packages for the homeless. We appreciate you helping us and participating in this festival and this opportunity with us.
My pleasure, and thank you and back to our community and helping so many people who will be blessed as a result of your generosity. So thank you so much.
On behalf of all of our volunteers, we just want to thank you, Senator Rhoads, for coming to see what we do in the month of fasting, the month of Ramadan, and for helping us reach so many families with all of these food packages. So kids, what do we say to Senator Rhoads for coming?
Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.